What is up everyone and welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. Today, a little bit of a different style video for all you Emira enthusiasts. The Valvetronic Designs exhaust package for the Emira has been one of our most popular exhaust configurations, really cranking up the experience of what is quite frankly a fantastic vehicle. For the price and the dynamics and also the way the car looks, you really can't beat it unless you're going to get maybe a Cayman GTS with the 4-liter naturally aspirated engine. But if you want something more exotic, the Emira is definitely the choice. But out of the box, the cars are extremely lackluster. So in this video today, we're going to show you guys our Emira exhaust configurations. There's two setups. We've got the race setup and we have the sport setup. We're going to showcase back and forth the difference between the race and the sport. The sport setup is the rear section with the electronic valve that integrates into the factory OEM modes, and it does have your third cat delete included all in one package. And then the race setup includes everything in the sport, but you get the free flow race headers and the unrestricted midsection as well. The objective with these configurations, the sport is more for those who want an OEM plus level of sound. Increased flow, increased velocity, really maximize that sound characteristic without having to do the headers. And the race configuration is for those, much like myself, who really require the ultimate experience. When you do the race setup, it's free flow headers. That unrestricted midsection really increases the velocity, and then you get everything that's included in the sport. So your third cat delete and the rear section with the electronic valves. In the video, we're going to go back and forth between the different sound setups. So we've got the race, which is wild and crazy when the valves are open and sounds just like stock when it's closed. The sports setup is designed for that OEM plus enthusiast who's really looking to increase the sound quality but not have the car be insanely loud. So you'll see in the next couple minutes of this video, we're gonna go back and forth from the sport to the race. Revs, flybys, we're gonna do a launch, we're gonna do hard accelerations, interior clips, and the GoPro as well. You'll hear in the videos the difference between the sport and race setup, and it's up to you to decide what sound level is perfect for you. Me being totally predisposed to all this stuff, I need the car to be super loud, so I'm gonna go with the race configuration. But for somebody who's maybe not so predisposed to loud cars, the sport setup might be perfect for them, utilizing the OEM valves and having that third section delete. If you have any other questions, please reach out to us at valvetronic.com. You can use our chatbot, email us, give us a phone call. We're here to help you for whatever you may need to make the best decision for you. But the Emira platform has been so popular, such a badass car, but the Valvetronic setup is truly the best option on the market. Whether you do the race or the sport, it's designed to give you that ultimate experience with no compromises. And we're excited to deliver you the ultimate experience depending on which option is best for you. Let's get to it. Ready, guys? Listen to this sound change. Listen to the sound change. Ready? I've been so excited about this car for so long. And man, does it sound good with this setup. All the other companies out there, keep up. We're in town. It's like it's bone stock in here. You'd never know this car's modified.